Hello everyone, it's Brooke with the Natural Lighting Company, Solatube Premier Dealer here in New Mexico. Today we get a lot of questions about how to change out your light bulbs if you have an electric light inside the Solatube. So I'm going to show you, if it was installed since 2010, you would take off your diffuser by twisting it counterclockwise, find your pull tab to take out your secondary lens, and then you can reach up inside and remove the light bulb that's been burned out and put a new one in its place. If you have a smaller size tube, there's going to be one bulb. If you have a bigger size tube, it's going to be two bulbs. Then to put your secondary lens back in, you're just going to slide that back out between the tube and your ceiling ring, and then you're going to twist your diffuser right back on. And there you go, you're all set.